Hello, my smart student. How are you? Last week, we talked about the African animals. The animals those live in Africa, like giraffe, zebra, lion, snake, ostrich. Today, we will talk about the Arctic animals. What's the meaning of Arctic animals? The Arctic animals are the animals those live in North Pole. That's mean the cold and snow-filled areas. And now let's recognize some kinds of these animals. Penguin. The penguin lives in snow. In North Pole. Penguin. And this is the white fox. The white fox lives in snow also. The white fox. And what is this? Do you know what is this? This is seal. The seal lives in snow in North Pole. And this is the polar bear. The polar bear lives in snow in North Pole. So today we talked about the Arctic animals. Like polar bear, seal, white fox, and penguin. The Arctic animals.